In this video, we're going to be talking all about knife safety. Or wait, no we're not. We are going to be unboxing this. This is a new but retro style radio that I ordered for my 1978 C3 Corvette Silver Anniversary edition. And I'm making this video because I had trouble finding what I want, and I was finally able to, and so I'm hoping that this video may help other Corvette enthusiasts. And I also have some dogs in the background that want to be in this video. But if I have anything to do about it, they won't be. They have been in my videos before, helping out with different things. But anyway. All right, so let's take a look. And I will talk about pricing and where I got this so that I don't leave anybody hanging if they're interested. All right, so I've got this here. Sorry, I'm doing this looking through my camera, and I probably need to set up a little different. The Bluetooth adapter came with it, but I'll talk about that here in a minute. Okay, I am not being sponsored by these people, but I'm just sharing information. This is classiccarstereo.com. That's where I bought directly from them. It was $255, and they covered the tax and the shipping, so it was just a flat $255. I seen the same one on eBay for $355, so I was very happy. And I specifically wanted this. It's 300 watts, okay? And I wanted this one because this actually fits in where your gauge cluster is and your radio goes. One thing that I almost fell for was there was other radios that I really liked, and they said that it fits my car, and technically that's true. However, it came with other plastic face plates that you had to cut around on and kind of get them in there, and I didn't want that. I want the original opening, which actually I will show, and then we'll finally open this. So I'm sorry to be so winded, but let's go take a look at that in the car. So this is my old gauge cluster, and this is what I was talking about. The people that owned it before my daughter, I actually bought this car for my daughter, but even before she owned it, somebody had hacked around and put a stereo in it, and a custom stereo in it, and I wanted to avoid that. I wanted the original. The new radio doesn't look exactly like the original, but at least it fits. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is a brand new gauge cluster that I bought, and as you can see, I don't have a stereo in. I'm getting ready to take the dash out, but that's a future video. This stereo fits right in there, and that's what I was looking for. All right, so I'm trying to make this a quicker video. So, but I get to talking sometimes. The thing that I like is this new stereo is, I think it's like 5 pounds. I think the original stereos that probably weighed 25 pounds. So it does come with some mounting brackets, and the knobs. All right. So the main thing I was looking for is I wanted the stereo to fit in that original opening, and I wanted to show that it does say Corvette up here, which I thought is really cool. They make this same radio to fit in like different cars, but when you're on the website, you just specify, and I think I misspoke earlier, so just to be sure, it's classiccarradios.com. I think I said radio, it's radios.com. All right, so and as you can see, in the car, it gives a large opening. The original radio was much bigger than this. And so we'll take a look at a few other things here with it. All right, so this is the mounting stuff that came with it. I just wanted to show, these knobs, they stack, if you will, and they sit in there like that. but that's what they look like. I'm very happy with what they look like, and all of that. Okay. And this is they had a special going on. I got the this Bluetooth adapter for free with the radio. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to show an overview, all the wiring. Like I said, the reason I'm making this video is to help other Corvette enthusiasts, because like you saw, I did buy a new gauge cluster and I faceplate, and the opening for the radio, I wanted something that fit there in that, and so this is just the wiring connections, and I'm just showing this because if you're out there in YouTube land wanting to know exactly what you get, then I hope this will help you, because when I went to their website, I still didn't find exactly everything I wanted, but I took a little bit of a chance, and I'm glad I did, because it's perfect. It's exactly what I was shooting for. So I hope this helps, and if it does, give it a like and subscribe. Helps me out. I just make this to help fellow Corvette enthusiasts. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.